Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see what are the different software required to perform the automated and continuous testing. To do that, we'll follow this slide. As we discussed, we have 5-step process to perform the automated and continuous testing. So first we'll see how we can install the Jenkins on Windows system. So just I will open my browser. I will type Jenkins downloads. It will take me on Jenkins official site. Here we have two different versions. So always I will choose the stable version because stable version have already tested and people are already using it, and those who want to explore new feature they can go for weekly release one. So it's recommended to go for the stable, and just I will click on Windows, so it will start downloads. So already I have downloaded this over here, so this one. So just I have to right click and extract all. So it will give you MSI, that is window installer. We have to click on next, and here for me it's already installed, so it will ask me to remove or repair. So for you, just we have to click on next, and after that we have to finish it. Once we finish, the service get created. So that service we can check in services. I will say view local services. So here Jenkins, and the status is started. It will automatically start once we install the Jenkins software. At the first, when we install, we can access on the local host by just saying localhost dot colon 8080 port number, and once we access it, it will ask you to enter the password first time, and for that it will provide you the location. So for me, the password already I have entered it, so I got this password. So this password you will get on the first page when you uh, access the Jenkins. All right, and uh, and the location for the password will be also mentioned when we log in on first time on localhost 8080. You will get the location, and just you have to open that location and you will get the password. All right, so here once we enter the password, it will ask you to install the default plugins. So for me, these are the default plugins which is already in progress of installation. So a lot of plugin is already installed and some of the plugin is in progress. So this takes some time to get installed on the plugins. And once we install this plugin, our Jenkins will be ready to do the actions. The Jenkins will be ready to build the jobs. So as of now, we can see almost all the plugins are installed. Email extension plugin installation is in progress, so it will take a few seconds, or now it's got installed. Now it will ask you to create a admin account. So I will create a one account for me, and I will set up a password. So once this is done, I have to say here save and finish, and start using Jenkins. Now our Jenkins installation is completed on Windows system, and it's a similar GUI the one we installed on the Linux. So no changes here, but this is running on the Windows platform because Jenkins can run in almost all the platforms. So if we go on the downloads here, we can see that it's available for different platforms. Even in the Docker, we can run. Even on the Mac, we can run. Even on the open source operating system like Debian, Red Hat, OpenSUSE. All right. So once we download and install, this account get created. Now here we have to do the job creations. So before we move ahead and create a job, let's install another software, Selenium, TestNG, and all. So we'll follow that installation in the next video. Thank you.